Okay, this time I'm going to show you a frameless shower door that we did. It have a edge design on it. Depending on the angle on the light, you're gonna see it better. On some angle, you don't see it because the glass is a crystal clear glass, so it's very hard to see the glass. And it shows a little bit more when it's regular clear glass. But on this one, it looks very nice because they didn't do too much. They didn't go in too much of the glass. They just did a little design on it, and I think it looks beautiful. As well with the enclosure. As you see, they only did the little part at the bottom in here, and I like the fact that it's simple. It goes with the enclosure and the pattern. So as you see, this one is totally from the shower doors. It's no hair on the top, no metals on the top. I'm going to show you here how we mount the glass. It's a glass-to-glass installation, so we put a hinge on the top and one at the bottom. So the door swings both ways, swings out, and it also goes towards inside. Okay, as you see, it goes 90 degrees from this door, from this curve. So you go 90 degrees that way and 90 degrees towards outside as well. So this glass that is holding the door is made on 1/2 inch. So when the door open and close, it is not wobbling. It's a very strong glass. The rest of the pieces are made on 3/8. As you see, we don't even put clips around the wall or at the bottom, except for this one, the one you see here. So all these three pieces are holding together by glue, and the two clips, the three clips, one on the top and one at the bottom. I'm going to show you the silicone work with this. You should see it just a little bit. Bit of silicone right there on the inside part of the enclosure. And this one, it was a very difficult angle. On top of that, as you see, the granite is coming out, so we have to cut perfect the granite to go in with the glass. It doesn't show much. If you don't put much attention, you really need to try to find it to see it. So it's perfect cut in there. And as well, you see the silicone only where it needs to be between the two pieces. Just a little bit, tiny bit of silicone holding the two pieces together. Right there. Let me show you all the silicone from top to bottom and all around the enclosure. So you see it's just a little bit because the glass is custom made. We cut the glass following the wall, so that's the reason there is not much silicone around it. Just the glass is very, very small to fill up with the silicone. So this is a look from inside the shower, so you see how it looks. And that's pretty much it on the enclosure. Now we did the mirrors in here. These doors, this cabinet, it had a frosted glass or misty, whatever you want to call it. It was glass that you don't see through much because it was frosted, but we changed it for mirror. So now we have a mirror cabinet doors with we put a custom mirror in here. This is a tile. But as you see, the gap in here between the glass and the tile is very, very small. It's like less than 1/16 all around. It's also custom made. Of course, we have many cuts all around to following the tile, the glass tile. And as you see, it's almost touching everywhere. almost. So it's very, very tight. That is the way we do the mirrors. Now we did the same thing here, but it's a little bit smaller. And the same thing, everything is pretty much touching the tile on the glass, and we did the mirror door as well. So a closer look, you see, almost touching right there. They put a lot of time on this bathroom for what I see on the design. The owner did it. I think she have a very good taste on what she's doing here. It looks very nice. You see even the faucets have lights on it. Let me see if it shows. One of these switches right there, you see the light for the faucet, and that's very nice. Alright, that's everything for now, and this is Luciano from As Quality Frameless Shower Doors. I'm showing you the enclosure one more time so you see it final. Okay, the glass, as you see, it's kind of hard to see it because it's a crystal clear glass or low iron, depending on the manufacturer, but all low iron glass pretty much look very similar to this one. Is not much color on it. The regular glass, it looks a little bit green. So if you see on the edges, for example, this one, it looks like a light blue on the glass. If it is clear glass and it's a big pieces like those, the edges look like black. So that is one of the difference. And then the background is show a little bit green because the regular clear glass is a little bit green, and this one is crystal clear that doesn't show color. Alright, I hope you like the video. Luciano from As Quality Frameless Shower Doors again. Thanks.